Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 6 akan mempresentasikan jurnal yang berjudul An Intelligent Metrology Informatics System Based on Neural Networks from Multi-Stage Manufacturing Process. Abstract. The ability to gather manufacturing data from various workstations has been explored for several decades, and the advances in sensory and data acquisition techniques have led to increasing availability of high-dimensional data. This paper presents intelligent metrology informatics system to extract useful information from multi-stage manufacturing process (MMP) data and predict per quality characteristics such as screw position and circularity using neural networks. The input data include the temperature, material condition, force and vibration, while the output data include comparative coordinate measurements. The effectiveness of the proposed method is demonstrated using experimental data from AMMP. Table of summaries of studies. Reviews name: Fir Arunita, Lukman Muhammad Aswar. Group 9, Group 6, Class Informatics C. Paper title: An Intelligent Metrology Informatics System Based on Neural Network for Multi-Stage Manufacturing Process. 1. The study was conducted by Moskos Papanias, Thomas A.M. Clay, Mahdi Mahfuz, Fisakan Kadir Kamanatan. 2. Previous studies found that A. Ocel and Karpat 30 developed models based on feed-forward neural networks to predict both surface roughness and tool flankwear. In finished hard turning using workpiece hardness, cutting speed, feed rate, axle cutting length, and the main values of cutting process. B. Salgado et al. 40 present a method based on least square support vector machines or LSVMS to predict surface roughness for turning process using cutting parameters, tool geometry parameters, and features extracted from vibration signal by utilizing singular spectrum analysis (SSI). C. Hang 5T developed an intelligent neural fuzzy in process surface roughness monitoring system for an milling operation using cutting parameters, spindle speed, feed rate, and depth of cut, and cutting forces signal the average resultant peak force and the absolute average force. 3. However, previous studies were not A. In order to cope with dimensionality reduction, multivariate statistical techniques such as principal component analysis (PCI) are generally used. PCI projects the information in the process variables into a low-dimensional space defined by a few variables. Fairer 9 illustrates the practical benefits of PCI-based MCVSC over conventional SVC in a autobody assembly process. B. Efficient big data and predictive analytics tools are required to extract useful information from a manufacturing process and improve manufacturing efficiency for a wide range of manufacturing conditions using artificial intelligence (AI) models. Artificial neural networks ANC are one of the most commonly used tools in SCVC application due to their ability to run and model complex and nonlinear relationships. For the current study, this paper presents a new system for intelligent manufacturing that learns from in-the-process methodology data and predicts the final condition of a product, compared the most previous research focusing on monitoring the machining process to identify the finished machined part condition. The system, based on neural networks, is novel given it uses data from multiple different processes that predict the end product quality. A case study is present where methodology data comes available as each product goes through the step of heat treatment and machining. The measured variables used as model inputs include the tempering temperature, material condition, force and vibration. Comparative coordinates measurements are used as output variables to train the models. The performance of the proposed method is demonstrated by predicting the true position and circularity of a circular feature. The research question is one. Does using a new system for manufacturing intelligent learns from methodological data predict the final state of a product? 6. The study uses a FIG1, FIG2 solves the computer-aided design (CAD) model of the part. Experimental work was performed using a fixed star furnace, ADMG Moore NPX 50X0, 3-axis machinine and Arrhenius Howe Equator 13. Equator 300 extended hex system supplied with the SP25 3-axis analog scanning probe. B. In particular, the material blocks were heated up to 845 Celsius and then concept in oil for hardening. After hardening, the material blocks were tempered of different temperatures, including 450 C, 550 and 650 C to obtain workpieces with different mechanical properties such as material surface hardness. High temperature thermocouples were placed in the furnace to measure temperature gradient and temperature variation during hardening and tempering. Surface hardness measurements were performed on the heat-treated blocks using arc wheel device. For machining, a full factorial design with 4 factors at 2 levels and 1 center point H was conducted. 7. There are all the cutting tools used for the machining operation were inspected for using a Leica microscope after machining each workpiece. B. Coolant was used for all the machining operation. During machining, cutting force data were obtained at 10 kHz using a Kistler dynamometer located between the face holding the workpiece and the machine table and DynaWare software. C. The dynamometer contains 4 sensors. the system was configured to output the sum combination of forces signal in the z index direction from the first and second sensor, the same combination of forces signal in the x direction from the third and fourth sensor, the same combination of forces signal in the y double direction from the in the y direction from the first and fourth sensor, the same combination of forces signal in the y direction from the second and third sensor, a single from signal in the z direction from a sensor, and the same combination of forces signal for each direction for all the sensor. In addition, vibration data were obtained at 10 kS using an accelerometer placed on the spindle and knee view signal express software. To analyze the data, the equator is a coordination measuring system (CMS) operating in comparator mode. Comparative coordination measurement benefits from the fact that constant systematic effects are associated with the measurement system cancel out through the principle of mastering. This system provides two main comparison methods, the golden compare method and the coordinate measuring matching CMM compare method. The golden compare method requires an reference master part to calibrate the comparator system and assumes that the master part is product to drawing nominals. Therefore, any deviation of the master part from drawing nominals will be included in the measurements. The most accurate method of using an equator gauge is the CMM compare. This method does not require a reference master part to calibrate the comparator system. However, it requires to calibrate a production part product close to drawing nominals on a current CMS such as CMM in order to generate a calibration file for the comparator system. The CMM compare method was employed to calibrate the comparator system. The stylus used was with a typical 30 millimeter long stylus with tungsten carbide stem and a 2 millimeter diameter Roy ball. The calibration file required for this compare method was generated using a Mitutoyo CMM with a Renishaw Revo RSP3 3D scanning probe. Then result revealed that the result in table 1 indicate the degree of linear dependence between the network inputs and the desired outputs. If the variables are independent, then 0, and the closer the coefficient is to 8 here 1 or 1, the stronger the correlation between the variables. Based on tables 2 and 3, it can be concluded that both the feed-forward and recurrent predictive models can provide an accuracy prediction for both measurements, and the difference in the MSA values are very small, especially for true position. Also, the model training using CGB needed much less training epochs to achieve a low MSE value than the model training using VLRBP. Tables 4 and 5. The residual values for true position are less than nanometer for all the models, while the residual follows for circularity range in total from 0 to 59 nanometer for device trade and pro trade and for model and from 0 to 1 nanometer for the second model. It can be concluded that the proposed system provides a high degree of accuracy in predicting the end product quality and thus determining whether or not a product is within the allowable tolerances. Then future studies future works will focus on developing running algorithms that take into account the uncertainty in the meteorology data. Mungkin sekian presentasi saya, kurang lebihnya mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.